Hey guys, good getting my screen and confirm. Morning guys. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm.
Yes.
Is my voice is audible?
Yes.
Right. So in last session we have seen how to create the user, how to create the group, how to add the user to particular group, how to delete the group, how to delete the user. All these things we discussed in last session. Right. Guys, now if I want to see all list of groups, what is the command which we need to use? I want to see the list of the groups. What is the command we need to use?
Cat space etc slash
Right. So cat slash etc slash group. Cat slash etc slash group. What it will do? It will print all list of groups information. So these are the groups which we have. These are the groups which we have. Guys, I want to see all list of users, guys. Here with this command we can able to see all list of groups. I want to see all list of users. All list of users I want to see. What command we need to use? Simple guys. Cat slash etc slash password. Here we need to give password. Slash etc slash password we need to give. It will display all list of users. So this is the users information. Users information. See guys, yesterday we have created Kalyan user. Right, EC2 hyphen user. These are the users, guys. We can see list of users. We can see list of passwords also. Right. So now I want to set the password for the user, guys. I want to set the password for the user. How you can able to set? I want to set the password for the users. How we can able to set? Here we are creating just a user. Now I want to set a password for that user. Why? Because I need to switch the user. If you want to switch the user, first you need to set the password also for the user. How you can able to set the password? First tell me how to create the user. Sudo user add username we need to give. And here username I am giving as Mahesh. Sudo user add username Mahesh I am giving. Right, now I want to set the password for this user. How you will set the password here?
Sudo password.
See guys, sudo password username Mahesh. See here, it is asking to enter the password. We need to give the password here. Right here, I'm giving the password like Mahesh @123. The password contains the username in some form. Okay. Let's see, it is asking some different password. Okay, I'm giving it ABC @ 123 something I'm giving like this. Sorry, passwords do not match. Password contains the username in some form. Retype new password. Retype new password. Okay. Okay, password I have given. It is asking to retype password. So here I have given password. Password updated successfully. Password updated successfully. See guys, here who is the user? EC2-user is the user. Whenever you have created a Linux virtual machine, by default you will get one user. Whenever you have created virtual machine, by default you will get one user, that is EC2-user. And here we have created Linux virtual machine by using Amazon Linux image. That's why here we are getting EC2-user. For Ubuntu you will get Ubuntu user. Now I want to switch the user. I want to switch from EC2-user to Mahesh. How we can able to do? See, if you want to switch to root, what is the command we need to give? Sudo su. Sudo su stands for super user. Now see guys, here it is changed to root. Root is the super user. Currently we are in root account. Currently we are in root account. Suppose if you want to come out from the root account, here just we need to give exit. Exit. See, here if you give exit, again you came back to EC2-user. EC2-user. Now I want to switch to EC2-user to Mahesh account. How we can able to switch? Sudo su Mahesh. Mahesh I am giving. See guys, it is changed or not? Is it changed or not? Is it changed to Mahesh? Is it changed to Mahesh? Currently we are in under Mahesh account. You can check. Who am I? Who am I? See, here it is giving I am the Mahesh. I am in Mahesh account. Like this, you can switch the account. You can switch from one account to another account by using this command. Sudo su Mahesh. See guys, Mahesh is a user. Before switching, you should have the account with this name. Then only you can able to switch. Otherwise, you can't able to switch. Sudo su Raju. See guys, you don't have that Raju guys. You don't have that. Right? We trust you have received the usual lecture from the local system administrator. It usually boils down to these three things. Respect the privacy of others. Think before you type. With the great power comes, right, some it is giving. Right, see guys, here it is asking to give the password of the Mahesh. What password we have given? DevOps @ 123 I have given. See guys, Mahesh is not in the sudoverse file. This incident will be reported. This incident will be reported. What is happening guys here? What is happening? Right here, to get the user privileges, these persons should be available in the sudoverse file guys. We have one file with the name sudoverse file. Inside that sudoverse file, these people should be available. Then only they can able to do all these activities. They can able to perform the activities. It is telling Mahesh is not in the sudoverse file. Sudoverse is a file name guys. In that file, these people should be available. Who will add the people into the sudoverse file? Root user can add the users into the sudoverse file guys. Whoever available in the sudoverse file, only those people get the access to do the activities. But here, Mahesh is not available in the sudoverse file. That's why this incident will be reported. See guys, he can't able to perform the activities. Mahesh is not available in the sudoverse file. Right, inside the sudoverse file, EC2-user is available. Is it clear guys? here we have one file with the name sudoverse. Inside the sudoverse file, you should be available. Then only you will get the access to do all these activities. Here Mahesh is not part of the sudoverse file. Who will add you into the sudoverse file? Our root user will add you into the sudoverse file. Understood, guys? See, whenever you have given sudo, you are getting privileges, temporary privileges you are getting. If you want the get temporary privileges when you use the sudo, compulsory you should be available in that sudoverse file. You should be available in that sudoverse file. Then only you will get the temporary permissions. Is it clear? Is it clear what I am telling? If you want to get the temporary permissions, temporary privileges when we use sudo, right, compulsory you should be available in that sudoverse file. Then only you will get the temporary privileges. Here Mahesh, Raju, all these things we are giving, we are providing. So these people are not available in the sudoverse file. That's why we are not getting the privileges. Is it clear, guys? Who will add the people into the sudoverse file? Right, that root will add you into the sudoverse file. Okay, we will discuss how to add the people sudoverse file. All these things we'll discuss later, guys. That is not important for us. Right. So next, guys. Next, one more thing. Let's see here. Let me come out from the Mahesh. Sudo su ec2 user. And Mahesh password, okay. DevOps @123. See, Mahesh can't able to do any activity. Right now, just to give exit. See, guys, you came to ec2-user. Now you are in ec2-user. Guys, now I want to see the last 5 users which I have created. Last 5 users which we created, guys. What is the command? What is the command? I want to see the last 5 users. If you want to see the list of users, this is the command which we need to use. What is the command which we need to use? cat/etc/password. But I don't want to see all the users. I want to see only last 5 users. What is the command which we need to give? What is the command if you want to see the last 5 users? Tell me, guys.
Tail.
Right, by using tail command we can see. Very good. By using tail command we can see, guys. See here like this. Tail. I want to see the last 5 users. Tail -5 users I want to see. /etc/password. I want to see the last 5 users. Tail -5 at the end we need to give /etc/password. It will display the last 5 users. See, guys, Mahesh, just now we have created Mahesh user. Kalyan, yesterday in last session we have created Kalyan. ec2-user, right, this is already existing one. See, guys, TCP dump, this is also already existing one. So these are the last 5 users. These are the last 5 users. Guys, don't feel why Kalyan is coming 2 times. Here case sensitive is there. First one is the uppercase, second one is the lowercase. That's why we are getting 2 times. See, guys, so these are the 5 people, right, which we created last time, guys. Last 5 users. All right. So now at the same time, I want to see the last 5 groups. I want to see the last 5 groups, guys. How you can able to see? Tail -5 /etc/group/etc/group. See, guys, last 5 groups. Last 5 groups, guys. Like this, we can see last 5 users, last 5 groups also. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? See the last 5 users. Last 5 users. What is the command? Dollar $10 -5 /etc /password. Right, to list the last 5 groups. Last 5 groups. What is the command? This is the command. tail -5 /etc /group. With this, we can able to list the slash. We can able to list the last 5 groups and 5 users. Guys. Clear? So next we are going to discuss one more command, which is chown command. Chmod we have seen. Now we are going to discuss chown command. What is this chown? What is this chown, guys? Chown. Observe carefully this word. In this word only we have the meaning. What is chown command?
Change owner.
Change owner. Very good. See guys, by using chown command, we can change the owner of a file. We can change the ownership of a file or directory by using this chown command. What is the purpose of chown, guys? Change ownership. Change ownership of a file or directory. See guys, by using chown command, by using chown command, we can change the ownership of a file or directory. Ownership of a file or directory. By using this chown command, we can change the ownership of a file or directory. Right. If you want to see owner of the file, how you can able to see? How you can able to see owner of your file? Tell me. Please respond, anybody. I want to know who is the owner for the file.
ls manager.
Right. ls-l. It will give the owner. See guys. Here who is the owner? ec2-user is the owner. ec2-user is the owner. I want to change the owner. I want to change the owner by using this chown command. How we can able to change? How you can able to change? See guys, like this we can able to change. Like this we can able to change. See. Sudo chown command we are using. Here we need to give the username. Here we need to, guys, before changing the username, this user should be created. This user should be available in that users list. Then only you can able to give the name. See here, I'm going to give the name as Kalyan. I'm going to give the Kalyan and the name for which file you want to change the name. For which file you want to change the owner? f1.txt file. f1.txt file. See, for f1.txt, who is the owner? ec2-user. Now I am changing to Kalyan. I'm changing to Kalyan, guys. Already this Kalyan user we have created. Enter. Now do ls-l. See guys. See, it is changed to Kalyan. See guys, first one is the user, second one is the group. This is the owner and this is the group, guys. Group. Now here what we did, we changed the user, we changed the owner of a file by using chown command. Now for f1.txt, Kalyan is the owner. Kalyan is the owner. Right? We can change the owner of a file. We can change the owner of a file by using user ID also. By using user ID also. Right? So how you can able to get the user ID, guys? How you can able to get the user ID? How you will get the user ID here? Here we can change the owner of a file by using user ID also. How you can able to change? Suppose if you know the user ID of the Kalyan, if you know the user ID of the Kalyan, I want to know the user ID of the Kalyan. How you will get? ID Kalyan. ID Kalyan. Here you will get the ID of the Kalyan. See here, user ID of the Kalyan is 1001. UID, user ID of the Kalyan is 1001. Now here, observe carefully, guys. For DevOps folder, owner is EC2-user. Now I am going to change as Kalyan. How you can change? Chown command. Chown command. Here, I am going to give the user ID as 1001 space DevOps. 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 Mistake. Okay. Sudo chown 1001 DevOps. See guys, now do ls-l. ls-l for DevOps file also, DevOps directory also, owner got changed. Now owner is Kalyan. Earlier EC2-user is the owner of the file. Now it is changed to Kalyan. Now it is changed to Kalyan, guys. Is it clear how to change the owner of your file with username and user ID? Is it clear how to change the user of your owner of your file with your username and user ID?
So in other row, we still have EC2 user. What that row is?
Pardon?
Beside Kalyan, you still see EC2 user, right?
Right. Beside Kalyan, this one is the group name.
Okay.
This is the username. This column represents username. This column represents the group name. We can change the group name also. We can change the group name also. And how we change the user? Same way we can change the group of your file also. Right? How to change the group of your file? How to change the group of your file? See, like this, guys. Like this, we can able to change. How to change the group of your file? ls-l. For DevOps, what is the group? EC2-user is the group. EC2. See, guys. Like this, we can able to change. Sudo chown command I'm using. Chown command I'm using. And here I'm going to give colon group name. Group name. And here we need to give the file name, guys. And here group name I'm going to give as Kalyan only. Kalyan only I'm giving the group for DevOps. See guys, if you are not giving this colon, what it will happen? It will consider this is the username. If you are not giving this colon, then it will consider this is the username. If it wants to consider as a group name, before that name, we need to give this colon. If you give this colon means this is the group name. I want to change the group of the DevOps file. Right here, who is the group for this DevOps file? EC2-user. Now I want to change it as Kalyan. See guys, how you can able to differentiate whether it is a username or group name by using this colon only. If you are not giving the colon, then it will be treated as username. If you give the colon, then it will be treated as group name. Now enter. Do ls-l. See guys, group name got changed or not? Group name got changed or not? For DevOps, username and group name both should be same. both, not should be, both here same guys, same I have given like this, right? So now here you can give another name also here. You can give another name right here. Let me what other things we have given. See guys, let me for f1.txt, for f1.txt I'm going to give the group name as Mahesh for f1.txt. See guys, see Mahesh, it is changed to Mahesh. How Linux can be understand, how Linux can able to understand I am changing the user or I am changing the group. For both I am using chown command only. For both I am using chown command only. How it can able to understand whether I am changing the username or I am changing the group name? Based on that colon only. Based on that colon only, it can able to understand whether I am changing the username or group name. If you give colon means you are trying to change the group name. If you are not giving the colon, then you are trying to change the username. Understood guys? Understood? Like this, we can change the username and we can change the group name also by using chown command. Clear? Let me add these points. If how you can able to see the all users guys, how you can able to see the username, we can see owner name, we can see owner name of the file, owner name of the file by using ls-l, by using ls-l command, ls-l command. By using ls-l command, we can see the owner of the file. Now, how you can able to change the owner of a file? Changing the owner of a file. Changing the owner of a file. Now, what is the command we are giving? Right here, sudo chown command, sudo chown command. Here we need to give that username or owner name, whatever, right? Username, right? And here we need to give the file name. We need to give username and file name we need to give. Same way we can change by using user ID also. Right? We can change owner name by using user ID also. Right? How you will change? Like this. $sudo chown command. Here I am going to give UID. I am giving it here. UID, and here I am going to give file name. I am giving it here. User ID and file name I am giving it here. And if you know username or if you know user ID, you can able to change the owner. We can able to change the owner of a file. Understood? See how you will know the, how you will get the user ID. How you will get the user ID? How to know the user ID? How to know the user ID? This is the command guys. $ID username. We need to $ID username we need to give. Next, right here I want to change the group also. I want to change the group name. How you can able to change the group of a file? Changing group of a file. And how you will change? $sudo chown command, sudo shown command, guys, see here, colon is the mandatory here. Group name space file name we need to sudo shown group name file name we need to give it here. Sudo shown group name file name we need to give. See guys, this colon only, with this colon only, right, we can able to tell whether we are changing the username or group name. If you give colon means this is the group name we are changing. If you are not giving colon means we are changing the username. With this colon only we can able to tell whether you are trying to change the username or group name. Please go through these commands, guys. What is the shown command? Shown command. Right. In last session we have seen chmod command. Chmod command. In today's session we are trying to understand what is this shown command. Please go through this shown command. Yes, whenever you created a user with that same name, user will be created and one group also will be created, guys. And if I create a user with name Raju, right, one user will be created with Raju name and one group also will be created with Raju name. Both the things will be created. If you create a user will be created and group also will be created with the same name. Whenever you created a user will be created and with the same name one group also will be created. Here we have created Kalyan. With that Kalyan user is created and with the Kalyan name one group also created. Right, guys. So this is about shown command. Right here one very important interview question, guys. Very important interview question. Locate and find commands. Locate and find commands. Very important. In interview they will ask what is the difference between locate and find command. What is the difference between locate and find commands in Linux? Right. So here we will use this locate and find commands to search for the files in the Linux operating system. Right, locate and find commands, we will use locate and find commands in the Linux, guys. Understood? See guys, if you go to Windows, in Windows, see guys, let me open here. I want to search for one file, guys. I want to search for one file. Right here I am going to go to this D drive. Right here 1 minute. Okay, right here I want to search for one file. See guys, here so many files are available. This is our previous batch class notes. Here if we have the option to search for the file, here we have the option, guys. Here we have the option to search for the files. Here if you give the file name, right, it will search in this folder, guys. it will search in the folder. But in Linux, how you will search, guys? Do you have this GUI option in Linux? We don't have, right? But I want to search for the file in the Linux operating system. To search for the file in the Linux operating system, we have two commands. One is find command and another one is locate command. Right, guys? In the Linux operating system, if you want to search for the file, we have two commands are available. One is find command and locate command. Right? Both we will use for same purpose, guys. Purpose is same, but usage is a difference. Right? Commands wise different, guys. So different. How it will work, that is different. How locate and find command will work, that is different. But purpose is same. Purpose is same. So that's why they will ask what is the difference between locate and find command in the interviews. Understood, guys? Locate and find commands. Locate and find commands we will use to search for the files. To search for the files in Linux operating system. Linux operating system. Right, we will use locate and find commands. We will use this locate and find commands to search for the files in Linux operating system. Right, guys. See, I want to search for one. I want to search for one file, guys. What file?
Progress.
Yes. As the host, guys, I'm unable to share the screen. I have pinged it to Kalyan. He didn't give till now. I'm trying to call him, but call is disconnecting. Call is getting disconnected. Call ended, I'm getting. So can anyone please try to connect with Kalyan once? I lost my host. I messaged him, but no reply, but the call is not going from my end. Number I'm getting unreachable. Okay, I got it. Right, guys. Now screen visible. Now is my screen is visible?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Right. So now, guys, I want to search for the file, guys. See here what I am going to do. By using locate command, how to search. See, guys. Here I want to search for locate. Here I will give as Linux. Locate Linux. I want to search for the Linux. See, guys, how many number of files that Linux is available. All those files it is displaying. And in how many number of files Linux is available, all those files it will display like this. See, I want to search for the word. I want to search for the word locate AWS. See, guys, I think we don't have anything with the name AWS. Right. Locate DevOps. Locate DevOps. See, guys, in home EC2 user DevOps is available. At home EC2 user DevOps f10.txt. Under f10.txt, see, guys, that we have two files with the DevOps. We have two files with the DevOps, guys. We have two files with the DevOps. Right. So now I want to display the count, guys. And in how many number of files, how many number of times this DevOps is available, I want to display the count. So then what command we need to give? Locate -c. -c stands for count. -c stands for count. Here I am giving DevOps. DevOps two times. Two times DevOps is available. See, I want to search for the Apache. I want to search for the Apache. See here, how many files we have Apache? Two files. See here, I want to search for the count. Locate -c Apache. Apache, how many number of times it is available? Two times it is available. Two times Apache is available. See here, locate -c I want to search for Linux. How many number of times Linux is available? 73 times Linux is available. Locate -c Unix. Unix, how many number of times Unix is available? Two times Unix is available. Like this, by using locate command, we can search for the file. We can search in the file, guys. See, it will display the file name like this. How many, right? And by using -c, you can able to print the count also. How many number of times this word is available, it will print the count also if you use -c. Is it clear? See, guys, here locate and find commands are used to search the files in Linux machine, guys. Linux operating system, right? So search files with the contains search files with the contains DevOps. With the contains DevOps. Search files with contains DevOps. What is the command we need to give? Like this. Locate DevOps. Search files with contains DevOps. So this is the command we need to give. Search files and display count which contains DevOps. Search files and display display count, which contains DevOps, What is the command we need to give? Dollar locate -c. -c stands for count. DevOps is the command which we need to give. I will look into this, guys. If you want to search the files with contains DevOps, we need to give locate command like this. If you want to display the count, right, which files DevOps is available, how many number of files DevOps is available, then we need to give locate -c DevOps. Right here in first case, just it is printing the files. Right here, it is printing the files where this DevOps is available. Right here, just it is printing the count, how many number of files this DevOps is available. Understood, guys? Right now, I want to check how many .txt files are available. Sir, right, I want to search how many .txt files are available. Like this, guys. Locate -c star. Name can be anything. But the extension should be .t. Locate -c .txt. How many number of .txt files are available? See, guys, name can be anything, but the extension should be .txt. I want to count. So this is the command which we need to give. See, guys, total 10 .txt files are available. Total 10 txt files are available. Okay, I want to print all 10 .txt files. I want to print here. Is showing 10 is the count. Right? Is it correct or not? I want to check. How you can able to check? I will print all 10 .txt files. I want to print all available .txt files. How you can able to print? Locate star .txt. See, guys, how many files are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 .txt files are available. 10 .txt files are available. Is it clear, guys? See, print how many, print count, guys, print count of all available .txt files. And what is the command we have given? Locate -c star.txt. I want to print all txt files. Print all .txt files. How you will give the command? Dollar locate here just star.txt. It will print all txt files. Right here, what it is printing, guys? It is printing the count of all available .txt files. Here with this command, what we are doing? We are printing all .txt files. Is it clear, guys? -c we will use to print the count. -c we will use to print the count. Guys. Please have a look into this. What is the purpose of locate command? See, guys, now I want to get the location of where f1.txt file is available. Where f1.txt file is available, that location I want to get. See, guys, locate f1.txt. See, guys, right, are you getting the location of f1.txt or not? Inside home directory, right, ec2-user directory is there. Inside that we have f1.txt file. Now here we are getting where f1.txt file is available. With this command, we are getting where f1.txt file is available. See, guys, right, now I want to know where index.html file is available. Index.html. index.html. See guys, in so many places index.html file is available. Here it is printing the locations where that index.html file is available. See guys, in multiple places index.html file is available, right? It is printing all those available places. I want to print the count. I want to know the count, right? How many index.html files are available? How you can able to know? Locate -c index.html. Index.html. See, 21 index.html files are available. 21 places index.html files are available. Right? If you want to print, right, see, locate index.html, it will print the all locations where index.html files are available. If you want to know the count, just use -c. Right, locate -c index.html, it is printing, right, total index.html files which are available. Is it clear? Guys, respond. Please respond. Is it clear how locate command will work?
Yes. Yes.
Right, now I want to check locate Java. Locate Java. See guys, locate Java. Right, in all these locations Java is available. In all these locations Java is available. I want to know the count. Locate -c Java. See, 29 places Java is available. 29 places Java is available at here. 29 places Java is available. See guys. In Linux, all the files and directories will be stored in local DB. Local DB guys. Local DB. That is locate DB. Right, here we have locate DB. In that locate DB, all the files and directories will be stored. Right, when we execute this locate command, it will search in locate DB only. When we execute locate command, it will search in locate DB only. It will search in locate DB only guys. See guys, read this statement. In Linux, all the files and directories will be stored in locate DB. That is local DB guys. One local DB is creating. And in our Linux machine, we have one local DB. That local DB name is locate. DB name, database name itself, locate guys. When we execute locate command, right, it will search in locate DB only. That is the difference of the locate guys. Right, I will come to find, then you will get the difference between locate and find. Locate means what you need to tell in the interview. Right, in our Linux machines, one local DB is available. Whenever we created files and directories, all those things will be stored in local DB. Right, whenever you executed locate command, it will search within that locate DB only. Understood guys? But when you go with the find, want to search in the DB, it will search in entire our system. Right, it will search in actual entire file system guys. When we use find command, it will search in entire file system. But locate is searching in locate DB. Right, performance wise, compare with the find, locate is more speed. Locate is very good performance wise. Why? Because locate is searching only in the DB guys. Locate DB, directly it will go to the local DB, locate DB, there it will search for the files, guys. Right, but find command, it is searching in entire file system. That's why it is taking more time to get the results. Performance wise, locate is faster than find command. That is the difference between locate and find commands. Locate command will search in the locate DB, find command will search in the entire file system. So that's why performance wise, compare with the find, locate is more faster. Locate is not searching in the entire file system. Locate just it is searching in the locate DB only. Is it clear, guys? When we execute locate command, it will search in locate DB only. When we execute find command, it will search in entire file system. Performance wise, which one is better? Locate is the better. Locate is better, guys. Is it clear? Simple, guys. If you know the location, directly you will go and you will search in that location. Suppose you want to reach one location, right? If you know the address, you can able to reach easily. Suppose if you don't know the address, you need to search. You need to ask some people how to go, right? Like that you need to ask. So it will take more time. Here also, right? Directly it will go to the DB and there it will search for that. If it is available, it will get it. Otherwise, it won't get. But find, search in entire files and directories. It will search in our Linux file system. In our Linux file system, right, whatever that files and directories are available in all those places, it will search for the given word. Right, but here, right, find command is providing some advanced searching techniques, guys. Some advanced searching techniques are available in find command. See, guys, find command will search in entire file system. Entire